Hello, everyone, and welcome back for a nice high tea session today. Yes, you're gonna meet my sister that I made through Insta. Hello, Abin. Hello, Dr. Joe. So, let me tell you about my sister. I haven't met her, but who said that we couldn't make relations by social distancing? I have found a nice sister, मेरी बड़ी दीदी, मेरी appa, and all through Insta. Thanks to the Insta Live, I have her today. And I'm going to ask her a lot because as a younger one, I want to know a lot from her. Hello, Rishu. Hello, Saheen. Thank you, Jatin. Surendra, hello. Hi, Alshmari. Thank you, Abin, for the beautiful compliment. Pintu, hi. So I hope जैसे मेरे पास बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं उनको पूछने के लिए आपने भी अपने क्वेश्चंस रेडी रखे हैं बिकॉज शी इज़ एन एक्टर अ डायरेक्टर एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट हर इज शी कैन टॉक लाइक मी नॉन स्टॉप सो आई एम श्योर हमें तो 1 घंटा भी कम पड़ने वाला है तो आप लोग की चाय की कप रेडी रखिएगा और हमारे साथ सिस्टर विद इंस्टा इंजॉय करिएगा I'm going to start her journey from how she started, which is from her launch, which was Kash Aap Hamare Hote with Sonu Nigam sir. And since I've also worked on the same thing, so obviously our sister same pinch to ho hi gayi. Uske alawa, she's done so many movies in Punjab, in South, and she's also been a theatre artist. She's done a lot of plays, and besides that, she's also directed a lot of plays. तो आप सोच सकते हो कितनी बातें करनी है एंड क्योंकि अभी मैं उन्हें मिली हूँ तो मुझे तो जनरली भी पता करना है कि उन्हें क्या पसंद है उन्हें चाय ज़्यादा पसंद है कि उन्हें कॉफ़ी ज़्यादा पसंद है उन्हें लेट नाइट पसंद है कि वो अर्ली राइज़र है सो आई नीड टू नो ऑल दैट अबाउट हर वैसे आई शैल ऑल्सो गिव यू वन स्मॉल टिप Since yesterday we couldn't go live with Sudhanshu, we are going to have an other live session with him today at 9 o'clock. तुम लोग अभी के लाइव के बाद वापस तभी आना हाँ और 6 बजे आई हैव विद सरकार थिएटर द पीपल विद हुम आई परफॉर्म ब्लाइंड डेट सो दैट टाइम यू कैन आस्क मी ऑल अबाउट मी सो टुडे वी आर गोना हैव अ गुड फन राउंड फ्रॉम नाउ टिल नाइट 9 o'clock and okay let's go back to hello KWKS hello Ajay Kumar hello Rupesh Jatin you can't hear me I thought everyone can hear me. Can you hear me? People, give me thumbs up if you can hear me. Hello, Shiraz. Mic is not off. वैसे तो mic is on. आपका mic तो कहीं बंद नहीं है. You can hear me? What is the meaning of my necklace? So it is made from the tusk and the shells. So the meaning is all about the beachwear, the shells that make you believe that the sound of shells always is very soothing. So I call it the soothing neck piece for myself. And I'm wondering, where is Juhi Di? Why isn't she here? Last time, MK Prajapat, last time you promised me that you will add me in the live. It's a small request. Did I promise? I'm so sorry. I don't remember anything like this. And okay, Di is here. So let's send her a request. And we are waiting. We're soon going to connect. And connecting.
Hello. How well can you hear me? How well can you hear me? Well enough.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you clearly. So let's get started. Hello, Bianca. So I was telling everyone कि कौन कहता है कि social distancing हो रही है और we are not meeting our friends and relatives. I have found a D online, Sista by Insta, and that's so much now I want to know. And you are stuck with me for life without a choice.
You know, my sisters and friends can vouch for it that if you're with me, you're stuck for life. So yes. Happily
So
so.
So a boy called Parag is saying, "Ma'am, you're looking beautiful like a fresh fruit." Yes, I totally agree. She is a beauty.
Thank you, Parag. How kind of you. Thank you very much. I also saw Gunjan. Thank you for being here, Gunjan.
So, okay, since I want to ask you a lot of questions, तो एक सेशन तो कम पड़ेगा, but हम शुरू करते हैं ये हाई टी सेशन के साथ. और
हाँ.
I mean, you know, you are an actor, a director, best friend, sister, mother, so many roles. But let's start with the whole acting thing. Your acting debut was with Sonu Nigam sir, Kash Aap Hamare Hote. And I've also just worked with him in a short film called Spotless. So let's start from
Oh, you
there.
did?
So how was it doing a debut with him and you know the whole debut part? How was it? Tell us about it.
So, Shweta, I think any debut is, a mix of so many emotions. क्योंकि आप इतने unsure होते हो और आप इतना कुछ prove करना चाहते हो, and there's so much, and you're new to so many things, though industry kid, but yeah, there are so many things that are absolutely new to you, you know. So yeah, so I think it was a mix of loads of emotions, and working with Sonu ji was. I think we both were going through the same emotions, because unko bhi bahut sare offers the, but he chose this film, and then he was also, his first film, so there was a lot going on, but we had a great shoot. Yes, I saw Sandeep Bhaiya there. Hi, Sandhya, and Chaya Mamaya, my friend is there. Thank you, Chaya, for coming.
So, you know, when you come from a legend family, like, you know, when already the parents are such brilliant performers and, you know, there's so much pressure. So, how could you handle that? Like, what did you use to handle that?
Honestly, I don't think you can really handle anything. I think the pressures handle you. There's not much you can really do about life. You think that you can handle and all that, but there's so much happening in your life at that time. Okay, the best thing is just to flow, just to go with the force of life.
So, you know, you set your foot in Bollywood and then you moved towards Punjab too. You said, अब Punjab भी करते हैं, and then you did Yara Naal Baharan with Jimmy
Yes,
Shergill. So, कैसा था
yes, yes.
Bollywood और पंजाब का mix?
So Shweta, what happened is actually I did my first film and then I was getting absolutely shitty offers. Okay, because the film didn't do too well. So the moment the film doesn't do too well, you are not left with too much choice. So either आप ऐसा करें कि आप कर लें mediocre काम और आप कर लें उस तरह की फिल्में और आप फिर वेट करें कि फिर से बेहतर फिल्म कोई आए आपके रास्ते. But वो कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. For me, it was just going very, very, I was feeling really low about the kind of films that were coming. And I was like, यार मैं ये करने के लिए थोड़ी मैं फिल्मों में आना चाहती थी या काम करना चाहती थी, एक्टर बनना चाहती थी. So I was just going through that phase where I was absolutely doing no film right after my first film. Manji connected with me. That's Manmohan Singh ji, who was the cameraman of our film. बहुत ही senior cinematographer. I'm sure everybody knows all Yash Raj films and stuff. And Manji had directed huge hits in Punjab. So he called and said that I am making a Punjabi film and will you do it? I mean, Manji offering me a film and he's like father category for me, and I had so much love and respect for him always. And I think that is one of the best things that happened. Not the film, of course the film also, but Manji coming and asking me to do his film. I think that is one of the best things that has happened to me.
Wow, and then the first memories are with like the person you look as a father figure and all. It couldn't get better than that. Your whole launch Punjab side.
Absolutely.
So quickly, I'm going to say hello to your fans who have come. Hello, lovely ladies. Hira Mehta says, good evening, Juhi. Dylan V. Mello
Hey,
says, Ramchandra is saying hello.
okay, so you say the hellos and then I say the hellos.
Okay, so hello, Aurora Hazel underscore official is telling you. And then
Hi, Hazel. Hi.
she says, you're looking lovely.
Thank you, Hazel.
Hira Mehta's telling you.
Hazel, Hazel has been my student. They're all my students from my theater workshops. My mother holds theater workshops twice a year, and these are all lovely looking girls. That's Dimple, that's Hazel. So all of them they're all aspiring actresses, and they're very gorgeous in their own right. And there's Mr. Badal. Hello, Mr. Badal. And Chaya is sending me kisses. And kisses back to you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And there's Shiv, and that's Sujit. Hi. And of course, Hazel again. And that's Mr. Dylan. I remember him from the last chat. Thank you for coming. And Ramchandra as well. And Sahil, Radhika. Radhika is Jia's mom, my student's mom again. Lovely. So could we continue talking and then we can
Yes,
come
now
back?
we'll again go back to our thing. आफ्टर
अच्छा, yes.
पंजाब एंड बॉलीवुड आप तो साउथ में भी आपने अपने कदम रख लिए एंड यू बीइंग सो टॉकेटिव यू डिड अ साइलेंट मूवी
हाँ, सोचो.
मतलब व्हेन आई रेड दैट आई एम लाइक हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल
हाँ, तो वो साइलेंटली शूट हो रही थी ना, वो कट हो गया तो फिर हम फिर बातें करते थे. तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि मतलब बहुत ज्यादा मुझे चुप रहना पड़ा, which is okay, you know. So it wasn't really that much of a hassle.
You know, when I read that, I'm like, how it must have been for Dee, na? Because she's so talkative. तो वो जो थोड़ा टाइम चुप रहना था, because it's a silent movie, so majority time
हाँ,
जो चुप रहना था, कैसे किया आपने?
Yeah, so don't worry, मुझे इतना ज्यादा कुछ चुप रहना नहीं पड़ा था.
So how was it? North, South, Punjab. You conquered it all.
Not really conquered, Shweta, to be honest. Yes, I worked, in Punjab and in Hindi films, and I did, of course, a silent film. तो silent film को तो South film नहीं बोल सकते. Silent ही वो तो कुछ. बस of course with Mohanlal sir, so वो इसलिए शायद South हो गई. But I worked and I was happy working and I got a lot of love. But conquering वाली stage नहीं आई थी. I never like made it. वो वाला 1 second, my Bluetooth is slightly troubling me. So that stage really never came. शायद इसलिए भी Shweta, because I did not wait for it to come.
Mohanlal sir.
You know what, Shweta? आपकी आवाज बहुत ज्यादा ब्रेक हो रही है. I can't really hear you too well. Gia is saying hello, Gia. Yes.
Hello?
Yeah. Can you hear me, Shweta?
Yes. So, Aisha, hi. Academy, Viva Voice, hi. SS, hello. And we have Juidy back. So, yes, Dee, back to conquering and talking.
Yes, yes. Hello.
Hello. Yes, we can hear you. Let's get back. We are good to go.
Issue with the network.
I think it's a Sunday and the load nowadays internet पे तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया है, but we can see you now, so we are good to go.
Oh, you are? Okay.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Okay.
So back to North, South, uh, Punjabi, South, Bollywood, सब किया आपने. So tell us, how was it working in all the different fields and with all the top people again, be it Mohanlal sir, be it here, what was it?
It was absolutely wonderful, यार. अच्छा जो काम करना चाहता है उसको अच्छा काम करने को मिल जाए अच्छे लोगों के साथ. That's the best thing, that you can ask for. And I was fortunate, the little work that I have done. I have not done too much work, unfortunately. But मैंने जितना भी किया है, I've always been around good people and from people that I could learn and feel really happy being around them.
And I'm sure it was likewise because you
Actually,
always correct. Yes, we shall wait for you to learn.
Yes.
So everyone who's asked what was the movie with Sonu sir, it was Kash Aap Hamare Hote. Yara Naal Bhara is the Punjabi movie that I was talking about. Reflections is the South Silent film that I was talking about because we had questions coming up कि नाम कौन से थे ये silent movie के और वो सब. और
Okay,
in the
okay.
meantime, let me tell them the names.
Nice. So I also did another series which actually goes a little unnoticed because it was not on a very popular channel. उस वक्त I think NDTV का NDTV
घर की
9
बात
या ऐसा कुछ.
घर की
घर की
बात
बात.
मैं
Yeah.
उसी वाली.
So I think
It was for for Shah Rukh Khan production, right? And Anand sir had direct. You all were connected.
correct. So it was a Red Chilies, as in Mr. Shah Rukh Khan produced it and Anand sir directed it. और उसमें भी बहुत मजा आया था श्वेता because I was with a completely such a super talented mad cast, because it was me and Sumit Raghavan playing husband wife और मेरा भाई था Swapnil Joshi. I mean today he's a huge Marathi film star I know, and Ali भाई थे Ali Asgar, and मतलब मैडनेस थी हम चार. मतलब यूज्ड टू गो कंप्लीटली क्रेजी शूटिंग इट. आनंद सर मतलब पागल हो जाते थे ये काम में फंस गया इन लोगों के बीच.
How is it working with Anand sir? Because I'm doing a play with him now past 3 years. And वो तो मेरे से तंग हो जाते हैं वो बच्चे कुछ बाल भी खींच लेते हैं play के टाइम पे. So because he's like so serious, like he loves to fool around, but I've seen him just before we are supposed to go
यस,
on the
कितनी
stage.
कितनी मस्ती करते हैं और उनके जो साइड पे जो कमेंट्स चलते रहते हैं. ही इज टू फनी व्हेन ही वांट्स टू बी टू फनी.
Like his those liners, sometimes I'm like, are you serious or are you being sarky? I'm not understanding with your tone. So till I
Exactly, and
got
then it's
to
like a word play and he'll have this pun intended sort of jokes.
so yeah, in the beginning while I didn't know him and Bharat sir told me this is him and it took me a while to know him, so I would anyways be fearful of him because show
Huh.
नया था, theater first time कर रही थी, and then he would have this
Okay.
one liner with a serious look and I'm like, is he serious? And then all of them would be like, no, no, he's not.
Using that, yeah, I can imagine. Yes. Antara is saying hi. Antara Srivastav. Hi, Antara. So good to see you here.
So somebody's asked us the name of the serial again. So the serial was called Ghar Ki Baat Hai with the mad cast that Judy was saying. They had super fun doing this. How is it working for TV? Like completely different medium.
Um, बहुत ज़्यादा मुझे फर्क नहीं लगा, because like I said, I had anyway not done too much of work. अगर ऐसा लोग होते हैं ना जिन्होंने बहुत ज़्यादा फिल्में की हो फिर उनको आके करना पड़े तो it's different. But मैं यार सेम एक्टिंग करती हूँ, चाहे मैं थिएटर में कर रही हूँ चाहे मैं फिल्म में कर रही हूँ चाहे I understand that for I was made to understand this, that for camera you need to probably lower your expressions a little bit and you need to lower your hand gestures. Also, one thing what happens is when we work in theater, there's a lot of vocal throw that we have, because and especially the kind of theater that we don't do the mic theater. We don't wear the mics. We don't do the lapel theater. We actually have to project through our voice and our volume and pitch. So generally एक जोर से बोलने की आदत हो जाती है. So sometimes I really feel, when I'm talking on the phone or something to ऐसे अनूप will come, क्या झगड़ा कर रही हूँ किसी से? I said, नहीं, मैं बात कर रही थी. So that is something that for cinema you have to control.
Hi Karina. Hi Neha. Thank you people for joining and AI saying yes, I see your hearts flowing with Yara Nal Bahara. Tell me which other movie of Juhi Di you really like because we like all her stuff, be it Punjabi, be it Bollywood, and we love to see her on stage too. और जब तक दी का इंटरनेट बफर हो रहा है, you can keep flowing in here all year only for yours. ये ना 5 बजे का टाइम ही कुछ है मुझे तो आजकल लगता है इंटरनेट वाले ही कुछ करते हैं एंड ही हैज लेफ्ट बट आई एम स्टिल हियर बिकॉज़ आई एम श्योर शी इज गोना कम बैक सो लेट्स वेट एंड वॉच लुकिंग सो प्रिटी करीना थैंक यू सो मच यार कुशाल श्रीवास्तव जुई दी नाजरा मैम को किस्सा सुनाइए ना प्लीज कुशाल फिलहाल तो दी हमें छोड़ के गई है इंटरनेट के चक्कर में तो हम वेट करें कि दी वापस आ जाए एंड थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग अस लाइव आपने टाइम निकाला आप सब आए हैं हमारे लाइव सेशन पे Yes, Sujit, it's a little break time. रुकावट के लिए खेल है, but I'm still here and we are waiting for it to get connected. Hi, Bharti Mami, how are you? Hello, the promise you've done ना पंजाबी मूवी का भूल तो नहीं गए? Hello, दी, welcome back. रुकावट के लिए खेती.
हाँ, तुम्हारा नेटवर्क को कल से कुछ हो रहा है.
ये कुछ टाइम का ही 5 बजे का है, but at least this is not like Sudhanshu's chat.
I know, Sudhanshu
सुधांशु
is
चैट था नहीं वो तो मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया कि फ्रॉम हिज हैंडल द नेट इज द सेम बोथ ऑफ अस केम लाइक
funny. Yeah.
ओके
मैंने
सो दी
बोला ना
व्हाइल यू आपने कल ही बोला था आई होप ये
I
कल
said,
नहीं
"Tell
हो
Sudhanshu, you're too hot."
सो आई टोल्ड हिम कि थोड़ी हॉटनेस कम करके आज के चैट में आना प्लीज इतना तैयार व्यार होके मत आना सो खुशहाल सिंह जूही दी नादरा मैम का कोई किस्सा सुनाइए ना प्लीज
नादिरा मैम का किस्सा, अरे नादिरा मैम के बहुत किस्से हैं यार, अभी क्या तुमको सुनाएंगे. कुशाल, इज इट कुशाल श्रीवास्तव? आई मिस हिम.
Yeah, yes. So while you had gone, there were a few questions that came. So I said, how can we
Oh,
not have Kushal's question first?
yeah. Okay, just one sec. Just one sec. Before we go on with this, I want to say something, and 1 second. Uh, okay. Maybe I'll come back to that. Okay, I'll come back to that. Yeah. So, yeah. So, Kushal, what were you asking? You want to know something about Mama?
Yes.
Okay. So, Mama के हमारे बड़े सारे मजेदार किस्से हैं because my mom is all about tales. But I'll tell you something which is damn funny about my mother, which hardly anybody knows. You know, Hazel is asking how's my mom's health. She's going good, doing good. Hazel, thank you so much. She's happy and she's good. So yes, hi Kushal, happy to see you, Kushal. ओके सो ये मेरी मम्मी के बारे में किसी को नहीं पता है, बहुत कम लोगों को मैं बताती हूँ कि मेरी मम्मी जब छोटी थी, बेबी थी ना और पालने में सो रही थी, तो उनके जो कंपाउंड में ना एक पेड़ था और वहां पे एक बंदरिया रहती थी और एक बंदरिया थी ना, उसका जो छोटा बेबी था ना बंदर, वो मर गया था. तो वो बंदरिया सब कह रहे थे कि 10 दिन से वो बंदरिया बहुत दुखी है. और फिर मेरी नानी ने ना मेरी मम्मी को पालने में छोड़ा हुआ था सोने के लिए आंगन में. और फिर थोड़ी देर बाद जब मेरी नानी आई तो मेरी मम्मी पालने में नहीं थी. मॉम को बंदरिया उठा के ले गई थी.
Oh shit!
यस. ओके. और फिर मतलब सबने बड़ी जद्दोजहद की क्योंकि वो पेड़ के ऊपर थी, तो डर लग रहा था ना कि वो बच्चे को फेंक देगी या क्या कर देगी, यू नो. सो हर तरह की हरकतें हो रही थी. कोई उसको कोई केला दिखा रहा है, कोई टोपियां फेंक ऐसे कर रहा है, कोई उसको कुछ दिखा रहा है, कोई खाओ खाओ कर रहा है कि मतलब किसी तरह तो बंदरिया नीचे आए. एंड ऐसा भी सब कहते हैं कि मेरी मम्मी इतनी फनी है और ऐसी उनकी हरकतें क्योंकि शायद उन्होंने बंदरिया का दूध भी पी लिया था गोदी में. मगर फाइनली यू नो द बंदरिया केम डाउन एंड उसने मम्मी को पालने में छोड़ के गई, विच इज सो स्वीट. आई जस्ट लव दिस स्टोरी. वंदना, हाय वंदना.
This is a beautiful story. I
No,
mean,
it is so sweet. It's so funny, but it is so emotional at the same time. Just imagine the scenario कि ऐसी बंदरिया बैठी हुई है एक बच्चे को लेकर और फिर शायद बच्चा जो है उसका दूध भी पी रहा है. Oh my God. सब मुझे ऐसा ऐसा हो सकता है. मेरी मम्मी के साथ 100% हुआ होगा.
thank you, Dee, for this funny story. I think it just made us laugh. Kushal bhi thank you keh raha hai. And obviously the hearts are flowing in. Sonia is saying hello. We have laughter emoticons coming in. And
Yeah.
we have the awe moment coming in from Academy Viva Voice. And
Yeah,
ek
so
minute.
that's Vandana. Vandana has been our student. She's my colleague today. She does some amazing voice training. She's a voice training teacher. She's fantastic. And my friend Sonia is also here. Hi, Sonia. Thank you for being here.
Vivek Kapoor says motherhood is a universal emotion. Yes, totally agree to that.
एकदम एकदम सही बात की है.
So, Dee, when you started acting, what was the tip that man gave you? When, it was like your first day and you were going in and taking the big step.
Baby, come back again. I didn't hear you. The network.
I said, when you were taking your first big step into acting, like for your movie, what was the first tip man gave you?
I think both my parents, some of the only thing that they have really taught me is to be sincere to my work. You know, and that's not just with acting, Shweta. I think that's with everything that you do in life, anything that you take up in life. You know, you have to give it your best, sincere version. You know, otherwise it reflects. Otherwise, it will show that this lacks something. You know.
या दैट्स टोटली ट्रू कि जो भी करो 100% दो जैसे आपने मेरे
बिल्कुल.
क्रिएटिव के लिए मुझे
And
100% दिया मैंने ट्रबल्ड यू फॉर द लुक यू लाइक अच्छा ठीक है मैं करती हूँ टाइम ले
तुमने मुझे ये तो देखो, मैं तुम्हारे तैयार बैठी हूँ कि तुम्हारा कोई भरोसा नहीं, तुम मुझे यहाँ भी बोल दो कि पहनो.
मैं डर डर के मैंने कहा मैंने इतना तंग कर लिया अब मैं आज तंग नहीं करूंगी
ईमान actually asked me, what are you taking? I said, बेटा उसका कोई भरोसा, ये मेरे को बोल देगी नहीं. अभी इसमें भी चलते शो में भी पहनो आप इंटरव्यू में.
अगेन फॉर अ कनेक्शन हेलो आर यू
I
देयर
can hear you.
हाँ यू कैन
I
हियर
can
मी
hear.
ना ईमान क्या कह रहे थे आप आई लॉस्ट यू व्हेन यू सेड ईमान
No, I ran to get these. So Iman was like, why are you taking this with you? I said, उसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है मुझे. वो केस का है आपके, आपने क्यों नहीं पहने हैं? तो ऐसे हो सकता है मेरे को बोलेंगे अभी चार तो इसलिए पहन के देने हैं आपको.
नहीं बट ये तो सही है कि आई लर्न फ्रॉम यू दिस थिंग दैट नो मैटर व्हाट यू डू फिर वो एक क्रिएटिव हो या एक प्रॉपर मूवी हो गिव सिंसियर इफेक्ट्स टू इट
बिल्कुल,
Antara is saying
बिल्कुल.
hi Shweta hi Juhidi please tell us about your amazing play Bollywood ko salam
Oh, okay. So my play, उसका नाम हमने ना बाद में चेंज कर दिया था अंतरा. We then called it सलाम 1950s के नाम. We kept the Bollywood क्योंकि वो थोड़ा हमको लग रहा है थोड़ा चीपी साउंड कर रहा है. Raj is here in the chat. Thank you, Raj. तूने मुझे ज्वाइन किया मेरे भाई. This is my brother, actor. And क्या टाइम पे ज्वाइन किया है because सलाम 1950s के नाम के सारे सलाम की जो जितने डांसेस थे वो सब राज ने कोरियोग्राफ किए थे. He's a
hello Raj
fantastic.
hopefully
He's
post
also
quarantine आप लोग जब परफॉर्म करेंगे तो I'll also come and watch and root for it
and he is the man who's also my trainer. मेरे sexy avatar के पीछे it's only Raj.
hello Ritu dot second
So
skin
yes, the play is
so
a
the
tribute
what
to
is
the
the
cinema.
play about
The play is a tribute to the cinema of the 1950s. So it's very interesting because it's the costumes were done by the Oscar winner Bhanu Athaiya ji. So we were all in black and white. Then and the story was typical जो उन दिनों होती थी, मतलब एक ठाकुर का बेटा और एक आदिवासी की डॉटर, उनकी मोहब्बत, मगर एक प्राण टाइप का कैरेक्टर और फिर एक we had such a interesting play made around that. Of course, the mastermind was Nadira Zahid Babbar, and then we took the actual songs from the 1950s. So it had याद किया दिल ने कहा वो तुम. Then it had शोला जो भड़के दिल मेरा धड़के, and so Raj actually choreographed all of that.
wow
It's one of my most favorite pieces of performance.
Oh my God, now I can't wait for the lockdown to end because besides having coffee with you, I also want to watch this play because I love theater and I love Bollywood songs. So this is like something I'm like keeping my fingers crossed to watch it really, really soon. Okay, and the songs were amazing. Yes, Kushi, I've heard two songs which they sang now, and I can't wait to watch the play. Decodram, Kushi's soulful parenting is saying you're an amazing person, Juhi B. Okay, we've lost Juhi B, but I shall read your comment again once she's there. Uh, RKY, she dances with grace. Yes, totally agree. Decodram, impromptu act by the two of us. Oh my God, that's going to be too much to. And let's just hope that she comes back soon because let's try. Let's send her another request. Yeah, I agree with you, RKY. Her every expression is priceless. Welcome back after our second break.
क्या हो रहा है ये? इसमें तो कोई
कमर्शियल
कमर्शियल
ब्रेक हो
ब्रेक?
रहे हैं।
बताओ, तुमने कोई एड्स तो नहीं लगाए? तुम कुछ बेच तो नहीं रहे हो बीच बीच में?
यही कर रही हूँ मैं, जैसे वो ब्रेक होता है ना, अगरबत्ती,
हाँ,
सैनिटाइजर, ये सब मैं बेच रही हूँ।
लग रहा है मुझे ऐसा ही।
So, Dee, while you had gone,
Yeah.
that time we
Sonia,
had,
tell me. My friend
yeah,
Sonia is saying that you should not miss her play, Ji Jaisi Aapki Marzi. Wow, Sonia, you've seen it over 10, 12 years back or maybe more and you still remember the play's name. Thank you so much. Yeah, Shweta, that's a play. I still perform it and whenever I do, you must come. It's a play very, very close to my heart. It's about four different women and I played Bubbly in it, a girl from Ludhiana. And you must see the play. Thank you, Sonia.
next time
That's
you
some big.
are performing on stage, I am coming to watch, be it Bollywood Salam, be it this one that you have said. I'm going to be there rooting for you and I want to see you perform. And also, by the way, I must say it's my dream to perform with you on stage and also on camera. So, keeping my
Wow,
fingers
wow,
crossed, कि ये
wow.
जल्दी हो।
इंशाल्लाह यस। पहले तो मैं काम ही इतना कम करती हूँ, तो पहले तो मैं काम करूँ, फिर
आप
तुम
काम
काम करो।
करोगे और मैं आपके साथ काम करूंगी। आपने इंशाल्लाह बोला और बाहर अजान हुई है, तो दिस इज डेफिनेटली हैपनिंग, आई नो इट।
Really, I, I always say yes.
Okay, while you
Rishman
had
is
gone, there is
my colleague, my junior from my theater. Love you, Rishman. And Khushi is here. I did a very interesting chat with Khushi a few days back. She's a parent educator. Thank you, Khushi.
yes, we had seen that, and she also there was Rahul Goel Designs is saying a hello to you.
Okay, Shweta, 1 second. Okay. So I want to just quickly say something that I have called Shweta my younger sister, and I don't like people misbehaving with my younger sister. So whoever you are, Mr. Shiv Ansh, once more I see a nasty comment coming from you for Shweta, I'm going to complain and put a report in cyber. So you just get the out of here right now. Otherwise, you're going to see the worst side of Juhi Babbar Soni. And dude, in this lockdown, you'll have police knocking on your door. So stop it, Shiv underscore Ansh 2003. Not one nasty thing for Shweta now. Continue, Shweta.
Oh my God, देखा बड़ी दीदी होने का कमाल। आई एम प्रोटेक्टेड। चलो अब और खुशी से मैं स्टार्ट करती हूँ। Now let's get more started. Thank you, Dee, for this beautiful thing that you've done for your little one.
Yeah,
So, obviously,
follow.
while you had gone and everyone was praising your expressions on the stage, how beautiful you are on the stage, how graceful you are, and now I'm waiting to see you on the stage. And besides that, also waiting to perform with
Thank
you
you.
soon.
That is what I mainly do, Shweta, because I've done very less of cinema or very less of screen work. Yes, I'm now back to work.
If that net is buffering. So, Dee, when you were on stage, you've directed as well as you've acted. Like you've done both where theatre is concerned. Like you've also got an award for Pukar, which was based on child labor. So,
Yes, I started with doing costumes because my background is design, and it's a rule in our theater company. So when I said theater company, one of my most dearest colleagues says, "Hello, hi, uncle." So I started with doing costumes because my background was costumes, and I learned, um, costumes and designing. So I started with doing costumes for my theater group. Then I started acting, and acting ke baad I started writing and directing almost simultaneously.
what do you like? Where do you lean more, acting or direction?
अरे यार, ये बड़ा मुश्किल है। मुझे पता है, ये लोग जब पूछते हैं ना, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू आंसर दिस, because acting is a complete high. It's like you reach a different space, a different zone when you're on stage or when you're performing. But direction is something completely different, because when that is happening, and if you're not a part of it, if you're not on stage, you just sit there watching it. So that it's like watching your own baby take a shape, because every character, and also if you've written it, so every dialogue, every actor, every light, every prop that you see there is like your own baby, and the reactions that you see. So I don't know, it's a little strange. It's, of course, there's a lot of self satisfaction when you act, but I think when you direct, it's the feeling of seeing your baby achieving, if you understand what I mean.
Yeah, absolutely. That's like creating a baby where you take the whole accountability for the whole thing, and it's a very different feeling altogether. Okay, now I'm going to ask you some quick questions to know my D a little more because we've known Juhi D. Now I want to know my D. So just quick questions
Sure,
here and there. What
go for it.
accomplishment you are most proud of?
uh So I think accomplishment profession wise, yes, I've done some really good work in theater, I feel. And when I say I'm not being pompous about it, I'm saying it on the basis of my audience reactions and the love that I've got from the audience. But Shweta, what I've accomplished the most in life is probably through my work with children. I do theater with children, I do workshops, I do drama, I do plays with children, I direct, write for children. So that work, that satisfaction probably that I have felt, I think nothing really compares to that, in feelings. And up materialistically, dekho to, yeah, I mean, I've also received the Ustad Bismillah Khan Yuva Puruskar, which is the highest award for the youth in our country, theatre. So materialistically भी चीजें हुई हैं, but मेरे लिए जो चीजें मैंने खुद महसूस की हैं, जिनके साथ मैंने अपने आप को ग्रो हुई हूं मैं, वो मेरे लिए ज्यादा मायने रखती
Wow, what a beautiful thought. इसी बात पे हमारा next question. Are you a leader or a follower?
हैं। Well, I definitely switch roles according to the situation, right? Because if there is a situation where I need to lead and I have to be responsible for a certain team and their productivity, and I have to achieve along with my team, so that of course I become a leader who takes my team together. But when I have to follow and I have to take instructions, I have learned to do that. To be very honest, I probably did not have that quality in me, because we all who are slightly headstrong people, or people with a little more, I won't say ego, but when we're still exploring ourselves, वो थोड़ा होता है when we're not very sure how comfortable we are about taking instructions or following people. But that is also very important. Because if you stop following, or if you stop considering somebody above than then if you don't respect or you don't look up, you stop learning.
Absolutely, and learning is something that has to be constant, no matter what.
True, I always tell people that. You have to learn, have to continue learning at any stage. At any stage, you cannot think के बस मुझे आ गया, सब आ गया.
वो तो है. So obviously, while you were talking, there were a lot of thumbs up emoticons that have come. Shruti Shining says you're fabulous with children and hearts. Sonia Singh
Thank you,
Agarwal
Shruti.
says,
She is my very, very, very close friend. We have a mummy gang. We are 7 friends who are very, very close. And ये वो group है जो मेरे साथ जिस दिन से मेरा बच्चा स्कूल गया उस दिन से मेरे साथ जुड़े हैं. And they are the most loving girls and the most supportive and encouraging group that I have in my life. So cheers to that. एक घूंट पानी का आपके नाम श्रुति.
I get the same vibe. That she and materialistic.
I miss that, darling. क्या बोले आप?
I said Pinto Lavinia is saying you and materialistic don't go together. So I said, yeah, I totally get the same vibe that you and materialistic things don't go together.
Who said that?
Pinto Lavinia.
Okay, so पिंटू जी, हाँ, it doesn't go with me, but it should go ना. नहीं तो सिर्फ आर्ट और सिर्फ सैक्रिफाइस ही करते रहेंगे तो फिर कमाएंगे कब? थोड़ा मटेरियल भी होना चाहिए, थोड़ा नॉन मटेरियल भी होना चाहिए, बैलेंस रखना चाहिए. नॉन मटेरियल का परसेंटेज ज्यादा रख लो, मगर मटेरियल भी थोड़ा, हम भी सीख रहे हैं.
Okay, Mahesh is saying we are proud, Juhi ma'am, for amazing contribution towards entertainment. Yes, totally, totally with you on this.
I have a lot to do still in life, but thank you. आप जैसे लोग होंगे जो इतना encourage करेंगे, so I'm sure I will.
Hi Sonal, hi Nivriti. Okay, so what's a perfect weekend like?
A perfect weekend. So for me, my friends mean a lot, you know. So अगर कोई एक दोस्त के साथ भी वक्त बिताने को मिल जाए, मैंने ना, श्वेता, इस जिंदगी में अगर कुछ कमाया है तो वह रिश्ते. You know, I think I have the world's best friends.
I am sure, and they are equally blessed to have you.
Word for it. और मेरे एक अनोखे रिश्ते बनते हैं. God is very kind. अब तुम भी देखो कहाँ इंस्टाग्राम पे मेरी बहन
Sister
बन
by
गई.
Insta. So this just proves it.
Yes, I have some really very, very special people in my life who hold a very special place. You know, कोई दोस्त हैं, कुछ बहन हैं, कुछ भाई हैं, जो कुछ इन सब से भी ऊपर हैं. अ, you know, बड़ी उम्र के भी दोस्त हैं. I mean, बहुत छोटे भी दोस्त हैं. So I'm very fortunate. मेरा बहुत ही एक मिक्स तरह का एक सर्कल है.
Yeah,
And
and we are, and I'm sure they and I, we all are very fortunate to have you as a friend, as a sister, as a daughter, as a mother, and in all the relations that are
I
there.
hope so. I hope so, Shweta, because it's a huge responsibility. Relationships is a huge responsibility to live up to people, to live up to emotions. You know,
And
somebody Vandana is saying, Juhi Ji's Urdu is outstanding and flawless. शुक्रिया वंदना, शुक्रिया. अभी बस मैं उर्दू में ही सब पूरा जितने अल्फाज हो सकते सब उर्दू के ही अभी लाती हूँ एकदम.
अब कुछ अल्फाज हमें बता दो.
Suchi Singh, hi. Hi, Suchi. Suchi is again a very, very creative friend of mine. Very creative. Yes. क्या कह रही थी आप?
2-3 लाइन उर्दू में हमारे लिए, हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए.
मैं हिंदुस्तानी में बात करती हूँ वैसे भी, श्वेता. हिंदुस्तानी इज अ मिक्स ऑफ हिंदी एंड उर्दू. मुझे अलग करना आता ही नहीं है. मेरे माँ बाप ने मुझे यही जबान सिखाई है और ऐसा ही बनाया है. यू नो, डिफरेंशिएट कि मैं हिंदी बात करूं तो मैं फिर वो अष्टपुष्ट सिर्फ संस्कृत बात करती रहूं, या सिर्फ मैं उर्दू में सिर्फ मतलब गुलाब और यही फेंकती रहूं बैठ के. नहीं होता यार. आई स्पीक अ वेरी नॉर्मल जबान, एंड विच जो जो एक्चुअली हमारी गंगा जमनी तहजीब है हमारी कंट्री की. यू नो, विच इज एक खूबसूरत सा एक अमालगमेशन, एक मिश्रण है दोनों भाषाओं का. एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई स्पीक. सो डोंट आस्क मी टू स्पीक. आई एम गोइंग टू बी रिसाइटिंग गालिब. That's going to be hardcore Urdu. मेरा गालिब का recitation जरूर सुने.
Going to Ghalib Saab, and we all are going to enjoy. I'm going to post it when she's going Insta live and reciting. Okay.
Shweta, I can't hear anything you're saying, darling. तेरे network का हम क्या करें?
अभी सुनाई दे रहा है? Can
अब
you hear me
सुनाई
now?
दिया. तो लास्ट बोलो.
तो लास्ट तो वो कमर्शियल ब्रेक हो गई थी, तो कमर्शियल ब्रेक में मैं कह रही थी जिन्होंने कहा था कि आप उर्दू में रिसाइट करो, तो मैंने उनको कहा कि स्टे ट्यून्ड एंड फॉलो ऑन इंस्टा एंड दे विल सून नो व्हेन यू ऑल हैव टू जॉइन इन लाइव फॉर योर उर्दू रेसिटेशन. तो वो मैं कमर्शियल ऐड कर रही थी वो टाइम पे, इसीलिए आपका
I would look
इसलिए वो
forward to it.
नेट
Thank you
चला
so
गया.
much.
Okay, so very quickly I'm going to ask you this all.
Wait, श्वेता. अगर किसी को डांटो और किसी की बुराई करो तो किसी गलती मान ली है तो उसको माफ भी कर देना चाहिए. The same person, Mr. Shiv underscore Ansh 2003 saying sorry extremely Shweta ma'am, I would not repeat it again. Thank you, Shiv. I
Thank
really
you,
appreciate
Shiv.
it. नहीं जानती आपकी उम्र क्या है मेरे दोस्त मेरे भाई, मगर रिस्पेक्ट करो, तुम्हारे आसपास भी लड़कियां औरतें होंगी, लर्न टू रिस्पेक्ट माय फ्रेंड। बहुत आगे जाओगे जिंदगी में, क्योंकि औरतों के बिना जिंदगी है नहीं, है ना? तो अगर औरतों की रिस्पेक्ट करोगे तभी कुछ एक सही में एक मर्द बनोगे। यस, लेट्स गो अहेड।
Okay. Is one time enough, or you need a full lifetime to do one thing? Matlab, if you have to choose, what would it be?
What if I have
Like, do you think one time is enough, or you need a lifetime?
I need a lifetime for what? I'm
Like, if
missing
there's
that.
like if there is something, like, when, like, say, if it is like, if you're doing something particularly, you are totally in that moment and you make the most of it, or you need a full lifetime to, like, more and more of it. Like, which one are you?
I think it should be both, na? Because if there is something that you can give your whole thing to it and it is so great and it is so fantastic, then it should continue for a lifelong.
That is true. Like, that automatically happens when you enjoy the process. What is your dream role that you would want to do if you had to do one?
यार ऐसे तो फिर बहुत चीजें बोल सकते हैं ना. I can say I want to play Nargis ji in Mother India, or I can say I want to play Madhubala and Mughal Azam, or Nutan in Bandini. मतलब वो तो endless है ना,
ठीक
But
है, एटलीस्ट तीन तो
हाँ,
हमें पता चल गए.
correct. मगर मैं इस तरह की चीजें नहीं बोलती हूँ यार, अनरियलिस्टिक लगती है मुझे, but yes, I want to do good work, and my dream is to do good work and to be remembered for good work. That is it. Just to be remembered for good work. कि भाई, whenever I go from this world, and they have to talk about Juhi Babbar Soni, they would say, okay, she knew her art and she was good and respectful towards her work and her colleagues.
Wow, that is true. What makes you special according to you?
What makes me special? What makes me special is that I am so loved. I have received so much love in my life, and I think that. And what makes me special is that I'm mother to my son. And what is that? I'm born in a situation where I have to live up to a lot of people's expectations, which just makes me work more towards myself as a person.
Vivek Kapoor says it's so refreshing to see an unpretentious person like Juhi.
Thank you, Vivek. Thank you. I just hope I continue being like this. लोगों को बदलते वक्त नहीं लगता. I just hope I don't.
I'm sure you won't. That I know it already, though I haven't met you in person. I have just had a lot of chat sessions with you, but I know it for that and I can vouch for it.
Yes, inshallah. But situations और ऐसी चीजें, achievements लोगों को बहुत कुछ कर देती हैं. Human चीजें, there's a thing changes that we go through. But yeah, let's hope that I remain the same person that I or better.
Okay, so this or that. Okay, so I'll choose two things and then you say this or that. City or beach?
City or beach? City.
Favorite city?
Favorite city? यार शहर मायने नहीं रखता है, शहर के लोग मायने रखते हैं. मेरे लिए दिल्ली में मेरे बहुत खास लोग हैं, मेरे लिए दिल्ली बहुत खास है. अहमदाबाद में मेरे बहुत अजीज लोग हैं, मेरे लिए अहमदाबाद बहुत खास है. लंदन मुझे बहुत पसंद है, और बम्बई शहर ने मुझे सब कुछ दिया है. मेरी आइडेंटिटी दी है, मेरे सब इम्पोर्टेंट अजीज रिश्ते दिए हैं. सो ऑफ कोर्स मुंबई वुड टॉप इट, फिर बाकी सब उसके बाद. Thank you, Ankur is saying 100% leader. Ankur, thank
That
you,
I
Ankur.
agree.
My friend Chaya is here. Hello, Chaya. Yes, and Lavinia, I've been watching all your comments. Thank you, darling. Thank you. Fabulous with children, Shruti is saying. Thank you. And I just said Ahmedabad, and my niece from Ahmedabad is saying, hello, Masi. Hello, my darling. I just thought of you a second back. My friend says she is the most positive and encouraging friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay, somebody's questioning your favorite beach.
Favorite beach? Juhu Beach. I love Juhu Beach. मेरा पूरा बचपन जुहू बीच के सामने गुजरा है. I love Juhu Beach. I love it. कितना भी गंदा अब तो काफी अच्छा हो गया,
अभी
पर
तो
मेरे को
बहुत
सबसे
अच्छा
अभी
हुआ
जुहू.
है.
हाँ, तो मेरे लिए I know so many people have really contributed in cleaning it and God bless them. एंड आई होप ऐसा ही रहे और हमारे बीचेस और खूबसूरत और साफ हो. ऐसे तो बीच जाने के लिए फिर अमेरिका है, फिर बाली है, फिर मालदीव है, दुनिया भर के बीचेस हैं, मगर अपनापन मेरे को जुहू बीच पे आता है.
True that. टी या कॉफी?
टी या कॉफी मैं दोनों ही नहीं पीती हूँ. मैं दोनों ही ऐसे चलो टाइम पास के लिए पी लो ऐसे. आई एम नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ चाय, आई एम नॉट फॉन्ड ऑफ कॉफी.
Okay, early bird or a night owl?
अर्ली बर्ड और नाइट आउट? नाइट आउट.
That I agree with you because the times we had our chat, I was night owl chat.
नाइट में बाहर भी मत लेके जाओ, चलेगा. मैं घर में फिर रात को भी जल्दी सो सकती हूँ, मगर सुबह जल्दी मत उठो. मगर जो पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ना, क्योंकि एक बार आप मम्मा बन जाते हो और आप वैसी वाली मम्मा तो हो नहीं जो आप मेड को बोलते बच्चे को उठाओ, बच्चे को तैयार करो, बच्चे को स्कूल भी दे दो और आप सीधा दोपहर में उठो. तो वो तो अब लाइफ से हो गया यार. वो जो सुबह उठना होता है ना, सुबह की जो नींद होती है ना, मगर जब वो अलार्म बजता है और अंदर की माँ बोलती है उठ जा चूंकि बच्चे को भी उठाना है.
इसीलिए weekends is the night owl, where the night owl makes the most of it Friday, Saturday.
आई स्वेयर मैन. मतलब फ्राइडे नाइट इज लाइक मतलब जन्नत यार, एकदम अयाशी, घर पे बैठने वाली.
ओके इसके पहले इंस्टा हमें बोल दे बाय बाय टाटा क्योंकि 5:53 हो चुके हैं. तो आप हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए कुछ अच्छे दो तीन.
हाँ, so I would definitely want to tell the women, okay, that please I understand it's quarantine और हम घर में बंद हैं और सब बड़ा होपफुल है, मगर प्लीज टेक आउट टाइम फॉर योर सेल्फ. कुछ अच्छी चीजें करिए और अच्छी लगिए. कोई हर्ज नहीं है. कभी से थोड़ा सा जरा सा तैयार होने में अच्छे से कपड़े पहन लो, कभी इयररिंग्स पहन लो, कभी हल्की लिपस्टिक लगा लो. घर पे भी फील नाइस. डजंट घर का मतलब ये नहीं है. एंड आई विल से दिस टू द हस्बैंड्स आल्सो, फॉर गॉड सेक यार, टाइम पे नहा लो, फिर ढंग के कपड़े पहन लो. लिटरली ऐसी चीजें मत करो कि ऊपर ढंग की टी शर्ट पहनी और नीचे शॉर्ट्स पहना हुआ है, बिकॉज जो भी कॉल्स करने वीडियो के वो यहाँ तक ही है. कम ऑन डू, यू नो आई अंडरस्टैंड वी आर इन दिस सिचुएशन, मगर फील नाइस अबाउट योर सेल्फ, लव टू योर सेल्फ, गुड स्टफ टू योर सेल्फ. और बाकी क्या, हम सब एक ही नाव में हैं. वील ऑल कम थ्रू दिस, सेल थ्रू दिस. इंशाल्लाह गॉड इज गोइंग टू हेल्प us, help our country, and we should all be good and love each other.
Thank you, Dee, for these positive words and for the positive smile and the positive chat and the positive vibe. So,
Thank you. Thank you. Positive Rohira. Thank you.
ओके इसके पहले कि ये इंटरनेट मुझे बाय बाय बोल दे, मैं आपको अभी के लिए बाय बाय बोलती हूँ एंड आई विल कंटिन्यू चैटिंग विथ यू एंड वी आर गोना गेट यू बैक सून ऑन अनदर लाइव सेशन विद आवर व्यूअर्स
Yes.
वेरी वेरी सून.
Yes, we must. Bye, Shweta. Have a good one. I know you have lots of lined up. Go. Bye, everybody. Thank you for joining in.